Good morning students. Today we are entering into a new chapter which is multiplication. So let's see what and all we are going to see in this chapter. We are going to see multiply numbers using repeated addition. By using repeated addition we can know about multiplication, like that we are going to see here. And then write multiplication sentence. As we have seen for addition and subtraction, here we are going to see for multiplication, that is multiplication sentence, how to write that sentence. And then multiply numbers on a number line. On the number line, how we can see that multiplying numbers, okay. And then construct multiplication tables from 2 to 10. From the table 2 to 10 we are going to see the multiplication tables, and then we are going to see multiply 1 and by 0. Multiply by 1 and 0. We can learn these things from this chapter, multiplication. And now we can see to the jump start. And here look at the picture and answer the questions. It is in the page number, it's textbook B, okay. And here first one, see, there is a duck, there is a frog, fish, and there is a lily pad there. Okay, see to the picture there, and from that picture only we are going to answer the below questions it is given there. And see the A question, what is the total number of animals? Here what is given there? What is the total number of animals? See here, what are the animals there? Duck, fish and frog are there. So here also they have given fish. First it is given fish, and see to that fishes what are there. Here there is a 6, in that 6 fishes here, and there 6 fish are there. So totally 12 fishes are in the picture. So answer there as 12 fish, and there are 4 ducks here too, and there is 2 ducks. So totally 4 ducks, and there is only 1 frog is there, right? Only 1 frog is there. So totally how many animals? 12 plus 4 is 16, and 16 plus 1 is 17. So totally 17 animals are there in the picture. And see to the B one. The frog starts from 2 and jumps on the lily pads by skipping counts by 2s. Join the lily pads in the picture to trace its path and fill in the boxes below. So you are going to find the numbers that are given there. There are numbers are in the picture. By using that picture, the frog is, see the frog is jumping 2s, like that it is given here, from one lily pad to the other lily pad. By 2s it is given there. So we are going to join the picture, we are going to trace the path where the frog is moving on. By 2s it is moving. So we are going to find that one, as we have seen for addition, right? We are skipping by 2s, skipping by 5s. So likewise here also it is there. So first it is given 2, number 2. From 2 the frog jumps to 4. From 4, see to the picture. By following that we can find the answer, okay. Then from 4 to 6 it skips by 2. 4 after 5 and then 6. So it skips by 2. And here from 6 it skips to 8. From 8 it skips to 10. From 10 it skips to 12. From 12 it skips to 14. From 14 it skips to 16. From 16 to 18. And then from 18 to 20. Here up to 20 numbers only in the picture. So we have found the answer here. And then see to the page number 2. Here only we are going to see an introduction about multiplying the numbers, that is how we can get from the addition, repeated addition. See here the page number 2, clean up day. It is Sunday. Ria dedicates to clean her room. Ria is a girl, small girl. She is cleaning her room. While she is cleaning her room, she came to know about this multiplication, okay. And here see here, she is saying, I must clean my cupboard today. It will help me find my things easily. She is saying, I am going to clean my cupboard, then I can find my things easily, like that she is saying. And then in the next page it is given there, see the introduction for our chapter. Multiplication is repeated addition. Here only we are going to come to know what is meant by repeated addition. So while she is cleaning her cupboard, she found a sharpness. By using that she is going to find this one, okay. First see there, Ria takes out everything from her cupboard. She starts counting the sharpness. She is going to count. So she have found some sharpness. See there are packets, there are 4 packets are there. In each packet 2 sharpness are there. So she is counting the sharpener numbers. How she is counting? See to that. See the first set in that 2. So totally 2 she has 10. And then next again 2 is there in another set. So 2 plus 2. And then again 2 is there. 2 sharpness are there in the packet. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Again one set is there. Again plus 2. So totally she has found the answer as 8. And see there, now the mother enters into the room. See to that. While she is counting, her mother enters the room. Look mom, I just counted the sharpness. I have 8 sharpness. She is saying that I have found the sharpness and I have cleaning my cupboard. So from that I have find as 8 sharpness, like that the girl Riya is saying to her mom. And see there, I can see that each packet has 2 sharpness. So she is saying I have found each packet has 2 sharpness. How many times did you add, like that her mom is asking. Then she says 4 times I have added, like that she is saying. And then see that you added 2 4 times. This repeated addition is called multiplication. So she is saying 2 4 times. For the 2 can be added 4 times. So it is said to be as a multiplication. This repeated addition is called multiplication, like that she is saying. And now we shall see to the example here. This is repeated addition. Here it is now, this is repeated addition, and here which is multiplication as repeated addition. The multiplication which can be written as a repeated addition we are going to see, okay. And here repeated addition, see here 2 is there, only 1 2 is there. See here how to write in the multiplication as repeated addition. 1 times 2 which is equal to 2. What is given that? Times. We have to use as times. How many times we have written the 2? How many times we have written the 2? We have written the 2 1 time. So only we are writing as 1 times 2 which is equal to 2. 1 times 2. 1 time only the 2 is written. So we are writing as 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And see to the next one. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We have written 2 times. So how you will write 2 times 2? The 2 is written 2 times. 2 plus 2. 2 is written 2 times. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And see here there are 3 2's. 2 plus 2 which is answer is 6. While we are adding these 2 we have gotten as answer as 6. How will you write this in multiplication as repeated addition? 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Here the 2 is written 3 times. 2 is written 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we have written as 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And see the next one. Here 4 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's are there. So here the answer is, while we are adding this we have got as 8. And now how you will write in multiplication as repeated addition? 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 2 is written 4 times. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So this is mean by multiplication as repeated addition, okay. As for the 2 we are going to see for 5. Here she came to see about eraser. With the eraser she have found for 5. Riya now counts the erasers and notes down the number in her notebook. She is noting down the number in the notebook. There are 6 packets of erasers as we have seen for the sharpness. Here we are seeing 2 erasers. Each packet has 5 erasers. She has found in each packet there are 5 erasers are there. So see here how many packets are there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 packets are there. In each packet there are 5 erasers are there. So how she is finding that? See, as for 2 only, here for 5 also there are 6 times. So 6 times you will write 5, okay. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So totally 6 times you have to write. Then after adding all those 5 we will get as answer 30. So here we will come to know how to multiply the numbers, okay. Here 6 times 5 is equal to 30. As we are written for 2, we are going to write for 5 and 6. There are 5 times. Here it is 6 times 5. There are 5 erasers in one packet. So 6 times 5 like that you have to write. So 6 times 5 is 30. So this is the answer she have come to a conclusion. So here for the repeated addition is also given. 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 5 is 30. So this is what that multiplication as repeated addition how we have to write. And see the next one. Riya, I can see that you have noted down the number of sharpeners and erasers in your notebook. You can replace the word times with into mark. So she says that instead of this times you can use the cross sign. Into mark you can use, that is cross sign like this cross sign you can use. So instead of times you are using the cross sign. So how will you write 1 into 2 is equal to 2, and here 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This into or cross, the sign is like this, okay. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 as for x sign. Here 3 into 2 is 6, 4 2s are 8. So this is the replacement of this times the cross sign is used. And Riya writes 4 times 2 is equal to 8 as 4 into 2 is equal to 8. As like this she has written 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And 6 times 5 is equal to 30. So 6 times 5, how she is writing? 6 into 5. 6 times 5 is, she is writing 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Instead of times, she is using the cross sign, into sign. And then see that numbers written using the times symbol x, such as 6 into 5 is equal to 30, form a multiplication sentence. You know 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, this is addition sentence, and the multiplication sentence is this way, 2 into 2 is 4. This is the multiplication sentence, okay. Riya now counts the packets of pencils. There are 4 packets. Each packet has 10 pencils. So you are going to help Riya to find the answer. In the page number 5 it is given that you are going to find the answer for the pencils. How you can write in the multiplication sentence, okay. There is given that, see, add the number of pencils in all the packets to find out the total number of pencils in Riya's cupboard. So she is going to find the answer for the total number of pencils as she is having in her cupboard. You are going to find for pencils, okay. And now we are going to try the exercise problem 8.1. See to that first one, look at the table and fill in the blanks. So here you are going to look into the table. A1 you are going to see there are few cubes are there. So how many rows are there? See how many cubes are there. So each one we sets, how many sets are there? 6 sets are there. In each set there are 3 cubes are there. So totally how will you write that in the addition sentence? Like this way you are going to repeated addition you are going to write. So how will you write that number? There are 3 cubes, right? 3 cubes 6 times are there. So you will write as 3 plus 3 plus 3. 6 times you are going to write. Here you have written as 5 and here there is 6. So this is repeated addition, okay. There are 6 sets are there. In each set there are 3 cubes are there. So you have written like this, and the empty box there it is given that there you are going to write the multiplication sentence. So 6 times you have written 3, right? So write as 6 times into 3. So this is the answer, okay. 6 into 3. So this thing only it is given here. There are 6 set of cubes, and in each set there are 3 there. So you will write like this. 6 times you will write the 3 in this form, the repeated addition, and this is multiplication sentence, okay. And then see the next one. The sunflower is given that the picture, see there are 5 sunflowers are there. In each sunflower plant there are 2 flowers are there. So totally 5 in the 5 plants. In there each plant there are 2 flowers are there. So how will you count? There are 5, right? So 5 times you have to write the 2. So 5 into 2 is the multiplication sentence. And here how much times you will write the 2? 5 times you will write the 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So totally 5 times you will write the 2. 5 times I have written the 2. And the next one you are going to do as the homework sum. And see there are small balls, red color balls are there. There are 3 rows are there, and each rows there are 6 balls. So you are going to find how to write in the repeated addition, and you are going to find for the multiplication sentence. And see to the picture for the second one. Riya is playing in a park along with her friends. See to the picture given, there are 3 friends, balloons they are having, the parrots are there, trees are there, flowers, butterflies, sunflowers are there, and there are suckers, the playing things are there. Okay. So now you are going to see the page number 7. The question is given here. See here, second question. Help Riya write a repeated addition sentence for each of the given things. Each of the given things are there. In these things we are going to find the repeated addition. First one is number of balloons. See to the picture how much balloons are there. Each of them, 3 of them are having the balloons, and each of them are having 4 balloons. So totally 3 sets and there are 4 balloons. How will you write that? You will write the 4, there are 4 balloons, each of them are having. So you will write the 4 3 times. You will write the balloon 4 3 times. You will write the 4 as 3 times. So this is repeated addition we have written. And then what we are going to find? The answer 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. By adding these 4 you will get us 12. So we have found this answer. And then the next one, number of sunflowers. How many flowers are there? See, there are 4 flowers are there. Sunflowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there are sunflowers. See that how much are there? 4. And that how much times you have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers are there. 4 plants and 5 flowers in each plant. So you have to write how much times? You have to write the 5 4 times. There are 5 flowers in each plant. So you are writing that as 5 4 times. You have to write the 5 4 times. You have to write. Why we are writing 4 times? There are 4 plants. There are 4 plants. In each plant there are 5 flowers. In each plant there are 5 flowers. So the answer is 20. While you are adding this repeated addition, you will get answer as 20. And the next one is number of butterflies. It is a picture there. The butterflies, in the white flowers, the butterflies are there. See how many flowers are there? There are 5 flowers are there. In each flowers there are 2 butterflies. So how will you count? There are 5 twos. 5 twos. So 5 times you will write the 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So totally 5 flowers are there. In each flower 2 butterflies. So you have counted like this. 5 times 2 you have written, and you will get the answer as 10. And here number of birds now we are going to find. See to the birds in the trees. There are 3 trees are there. In each tree there are 6 birds are there. So how will you write? There are 3 times 6 you have to write. The 3 times means the 3 trees are there, and each tree 6 birds are there. So you will write 6 3 times. Write the 6 3 times. Then you will get the answer. So totally 18 birds are there, okay, in the picture. And next one, see now, write the repeated addition sentence as multiplication sentence using the word times. So here in the multiplication sentence we have to write as times. We have to use as times. We should not use a cross sign. We have to use the term times in that multiplication sentence. See to the first one, number of balloons. In the picture you are going to see the number of balloons as we have seen here, right? Number of balloons, the first one. So you have to write in the words as times. So how will you write here? 3 times 4 is there. So you have to write as 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. Like this you have to write 3 times 4. And next one is number of sunflowers. Number of sunflowers. Already we have found how much times we have to written. We have written 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 5. Write as 4 times 5. So answer is 20. And see to the next one, number of butterflies. Already we have found for butterflies, that is 10. How much times you have written? 2. 5 times you have written 2. So write as 5 times 2, which is 10, as we have found the answer. 5 times 2 is 10. And number of birds already we have found as 3 times 6. So write as 3 times 6, which is equal to 18. So this is what the answer is. And see to the third one. There are 8 pencils in a packet. How many pencils will be there in 4 packets? Write the repeated addition sentence and the multiplication sentence using the word times. So what is given here? There are 8 pencils in a packet. In each packet 8 pencils are there. How many pencils will be there in 4 such packets? So they are asking for 4 packets how much it will be. For 1 packet there are 8 pencils. Then for 4 packets how much pencils will be there? We are going to find. We'll write the repeated addition sentence. First we have to write the repeated addition sentence as like this. Repeated addition sentence as like this we are going to write, and then we are going to find the multiplication sentence. Like this multiplication sentence we are going to write. For that what we have to write? The multiplication sign times. The word times you have to use here. So how will you write? For 4 packets, right? 4 packets means you have to write 8 4 times. Have to write 8 4 times. Why we are writing 8 4 times? Because in each packet there are 8 pencils. So you have to write 8 4 times. 1 2 3 4. You have written 8 4 times. So the answer for this is, how will you write the answer? By adding these 4 8s. 8 plus 8 and again plus 8, again plus 8. So totally you will get the answer as 32. By adding these numbers you will get as 32. And the next question what they have asked? Multiplication sentence. So you are going to frame a multiplication sentence. Here you should not use as cross sign, you have to write as times like that. So 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. So the next question, fourth question, you are going to write as the homework. See the question. Ankush has 6 candle stands. There are 3 lighted candles on each stand. How many lighted candles are there in all? Write the repeated addition sentence and the multiplication sentence using the word times. So see here, Ankush has 6 candle stands. He is having 6 candle stands. In that 3 lighted candles are there. How many lighted candles are there in all? So totally 6 stands he is having. He is having 3 lighted cans on each stand. 3 lighted cans. In each stand there are 3 lighted cans. Okay. And how much candles he is having like that? All totally how much he is having like that we are going to find. So we have to use the repeated addition sentence and multiplication sentence also. Here for the multiplication you have to write as in words as times. Times in words you have to write in that multiplication sentence. So how much times you will write the 6 times you have to write, because in each stand there are 3 lighted candles. In each stand there are 3 lighted candles. So totally how many candle stands are there? 6 candle stands. So you have to write the number 3 6 times. Then you will get the answer. So add the numbers that is given, the 3 6 times you have written, right? Add that number and write. The adding that numbers which is mean by a repeated addition. So then you will write the multiplication sentence also. So that's all we have seen in this chapter, the multiplication, that by using repeated addition sentence which is mean by multiplication. So what is given here? It is given as the repeated addition is called as multiplication. The repeated addition is called as multiplication. That is what we have seen here. The repeated addition is like this, and here this is multiplication sentence. This is we have seen. So students, do the homeworks what I have given for you. Thank you.